Assalamu alaikum, good day everyone. So I will be solving for parts per million calculations. So let's start with 76. Purified water contains not more than 10 parts per million of total solids. Express this concentration as a percentage. So 10 parts per million is actually tawag dito is actually 10 is to 1 million. So it's very easy, guys. Then in order to convert it into percentage, ang gawin lang natin is 10 over 1 million, then times 100. Then ang mangyayari, ang 0 mag-cancel out with the 0, 0 with 0, then ang 0 na yan with 0. So ang natira na lang is 100 over 1,000. 1 over 1,000. So 1 over 1,000 is equal to 0.001. So this is the answer. Then ibigay lang natin ng unit, which is the percentage. So that concludes the number 76. So let's proceed to number 68. So number 68, sabi nga, how many grams of sodium fluoride should be added to 100,000 liters of drinking water containing 0.6 parts per million of sodium fluoride to provide a recommended concentration of 1.75 parts per million. So in this equation or in this problem, mayroon ng twist. So ang gagawin natin muna is i-convert natin ang parts per million into another unit. So ang parts per million is also equivalent to milligrams per liter. Milligrams per liter. So sabihin na lang natin, kunin muna natin ito, 1.75 milligrams per liter. Ito naman, subtract natin sa kanya, i-minus natin ang 0.6 ppm. Pero gawin na lang natin siya milligrams per liter, which is an equivalent, tawag dito, unit for it. So ang gawin natin, itawag dito, i-minus natin. After natin i-minus, ang makukuha natin is 1.15 milligrams per liter. Then ang gagawin natin is tawag dito, times natin siya by 100,000 liters. 100,000 liters. So ang mangyayari dito is ang liter na ito mag-cancel out siya with the liter. Then ito naman, ang decimal will move how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So magmo-move ang decimal ng 5. So ang mag-happen, we will have itong number, which is 115,000, and the unit is milligram. So an explanation for what happened here, guys. Ang nangyari is meron tayong parang initial volume pati final volume. So ang ginawa lang natin, kinuha natin ang difference nila. So it is this. Then times natin ito, yung liters, into this, so that ma-cancel ang liter na yan pati liter na yan. So ang makukuha natin is mass, which is milligrams. So ang milligrams na yan, i-convert natin siya uli to, tawag dito, to grams. Kasi sabi nga sa question, how many grams of sodium fluoride should be added? So i-convert natin siya into grams. In order to do that, ang milligram dito sa baba, ang grams dyan sa taas. Saan ang pinakamalaki is grams. So dito ang 1. Then how many milligrams inside 1 gram is 1,000. So ang mangyayari, this will be cancelled out with this. Then ito naman, ang 0, cancel out with 0, 0, with 0, 0, with 0. So ang maiiwan na lang is 115, tapos dito ay gram. So will be 115 grams. Then that's the answer for 68. So in 69, it's the same as 68, pero meron din twist. So ang gawin natin is i-convert natin ang 250, or sabihin natin, if a city water supply has a limit of 250 parts per million of nitrate ion, what is the maximum amount of nitrate ion in grams that may be present in 10,000 gallon reservoir. So in order to tawag dito, to solve this, ang gagawin natin is kukunin natin ito, i-convert natin siya into milligrams per liter. Equivalent lang PPT, ppm pati yung milligrams per liter. Then ang gallon na yan, gusto natin siya i-convert into liters. So 10,000 gallon is equivalent to how much? So punta tayo dito sa itong table, which is useful equivalents. So ang 1 gallon, US gallon, is equal to how many ml? 3785 or 3785 ml. Ang gusto natin liters, but later i-convert natin siya into liters. Gawin mo natin siya milliliters, then liters. Then is equal to, or sorry guys, ang sabi natin, ang 1 gallon is equal to 3785 ml. So ang 10,000 gallon is equivalent to X, kasi hindi natin alam, X ml. So ang mangyayari is ratio and proportion. So ratio and proportion. So, or portion and proportion. So ang X is equal to how much, guys? Dito ang 3785 times 10,000 will be equal to this big number, which is 37,850,000. So i-convert, ito is ml, so i-convert natin siya into liter. So ang ml dito sa baba, ang liter dyan sa taas. Saan ang pinakamalaki? It's liter. Tapos ang ml sa isang liter is 1,000. So ang mangyayari, ito ma-cancel out siya with ml with ml ma-cancel out, then yung 0 cancel out with 0, 0 with 0, 0 with 0. So ang makukuha natin is itong number, which is this 37,850. So andito na, guys. Ang gagawin natin is very simple. Balik tayo sa question natin. Ang gagawin natin, ano bang ginawa natin sa 68? If you remember, parang tinimes natin sila. So yun, ito ay liter. So 250 milligrams per liter times 37,850 liter. So ang liter ma-cancel out siya with liter. Then ang tawag dito, 250 times 37, 250 times 37,850 is equal to 946,250 milligrams. So i-convert natin ito into grams. So in order to do that, like this, milligrams dito sa baba, grams sa taas, 1, then 1,000 dito, then ito ma-cancel out siya with this, then 0 and 0 ma-cancel out siya with this. So ang makukuha natin is itong number, which is in grams. So that's the answer for number 69. So moving to number 70. Sabi nga, if a commercially available insulin preparation contains 1 part per million of proinsulin, how many micrograms of proinsulin would be contained in 10 ml vial of insulin? So very simple, guys. Ang gagawin natin is tawag dito, i-convert natin muna ang ppm into milligram per liter. So 1 milligram per liter ito. Then tawag dito yung 10 ml na yan, i-convert natin siya into tawag dito into liters. So ang ml dito sa baba, ang liter dyan sa taas. Then saan ang pinakamalaki is liter, so dito ang 1. Then ang ml is, or ilan ml sa isang liter is 1,000. So ang mangyayari ito, mag-cancel out with this. Then 10 will meron siyang 0, 0, 0 will cancel out. Then ang matira na lang is 1 over 100. So 1 over 100 is equal to 0.01. Then the unit is liter. So ready na tayo guys. Pwede natin i-convert or i-times silang dalawa. So time 1 milligram per liter times 0.01 liter. Ang mangyayari, ang liter ma-cancel out with the liter. Then 1 times this number will be equal to 0.01 milligram. Tapos sabi niya, how many micrograms? Gusto niya ito i-convert into micrograms. So in order to do that, ang gawin natin, i-convert natin siya muna into gram, then micrograms. So in order to do that, ang milligrams dyan sa baba, then ang grams dyan sa taas. Sana ang pinakamalaki is grams, tapos ang milligrams sa isang gram is 1,000. Then pag i-convert naman into micrograms, ganito naman. Ang grams ang sa baba, then micrograms sa taas. So ang pinakamalaki is grams, so dito ay 1. Then ang microgram is equal to 1 million. 1 million, which is 6 zeros. So ang mangyayari na ngayon is, let's do mathematics. So ang 3 zeros dyan, ma-cancel out siya with the 3 zeros dyan. So maging 1,000 na yan. Tapos ang mga gram na yan, ma-cancel out siya with the gram. Ang milligram, ma-cancel out siya with the milligram. So ang natira na lang is 1,000 times 0.01. So 0.01 times 1,000, ilan ang makukuha natin? Is 100 if I'm not mistaken. So let's see, 0.01 times 1,000 is equal to 10, or let's say again, 0.01 times 1,000 is equal to 10. So 10. Then the unit is micrograms of insulin, or without insulin. So that's the answer for number 70, and that concludes our video. Thank you guys for watching.